Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can go ahead and pause your eBay listings. Okay, log into your eBay, go to my eBay, okay, then come here, click on account, and basically under your account settings, and when you click on selling, this drop down will come up. You click on time away. Now, under here, what you basically need to do is click on schedule time away. Okay, just need to click on this option right here, and then what I need you to do is I need you to select on allow items sales or pause item sales while on time away. You just need to set a start date and an end date for your time away. Okay, set the start date and end date, and then all you need to do is come here and select on apply. All right. And when you're scheduling your timer, just keep in mind that your time away will begin at 12:01 a.m. on your scheduled start date and finish at 11:59 p.m. on your scheduled end date. All right. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this helped.